Welcome or welcome back to my channel. To all the pretty girls with the popping curls, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you engage and comment down below. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So if you're already a part of the family in this channel, then you know that I'm jumping right into the video. And I'm just trying to drench my hair in water before I start the wash day process. Before I start putting any product in my hair, I just get it wet so yeah, it can get ready for the product. So this takes me about 5 minutes to do, and I'm going to shorten it to just a few seconds for y'all. So I'm starting with the Tgin Moisturizer Sulfate Free Shampoo. It smells good.
It smells good?
It smells tropical.
It is.
So the shampoo definitely felt moisturizing during this process, and it was easy for me to detangle. And we're gonna go straight into, after I finish washing out all the shampoo, now I'm just putting my hair into sections because I did not have the regular conditioner from this line, which I usually would separate my hair during that process. But now I'm about to put in their deep conditioner, so I'm just separating my hair into the sections that I want to be able to detangle in. So after this, I'm going to go in with the Tgin Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And I really did like this hair mask. It felt really good. It made my hair feel really soft. It probably was my favorite product from this line. The only thing that I'll probably buy again.
What?
It smells like watermelon, but not like the fruit watermelon, like a candy watermelon with like some berry. I don't know. But it smells real good. So of course I'm detangling. If you're already part of the family, then you know I detangle in every step of the process. But I do the most actual deep detangling when I either have in conditioner or deep conditioner. So now that I'm all done putting the deep conditioner in, I'm going to let this sit for about an hour or two because I don't have time to let it sit overnight. So we're going to go straight into me using the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. And I've already done the rest of the sections of my hair. I did it while my hair was under running water in the sink. So I'm just going to fast forward through me doing this part because I don't think it's really that important of what I'm doing. But this also made my hair feel really soft during this process, and I've actually used it in my son's hair too. It made it feel soft and moisturized in both of our hair. But I found that I didn't feel like these products let my hair feel moisturized for the entire week like all my other products usually do. But anyway, we're about to start the styling process, so I am taking out the twist and letting you guys see how the hair looks before I put any product in it. Well, except for, the leave-in. But so we're going to do hot water first just to get my hair soaking wet, because since I'm about to do a wash and go, my wash and goes come out better when my hair is super drenched wet. So now I'm about to go in with their Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum just to help add shine to my hair. Not really to like seal it, but just to add shine. And I'm actually going to be using aloe juice to seal, cold aloe juice to seal my hair. But yeah, so this is the aloe juice. This is me going in with the aloe juice right now, and I love my aloe juice, and I feel like this has been working wonders with keeping my hair like soft and moisturized and sealed in, to make my styles last for an entire week. But like I said, with these products, I didn't feel like my hair stayed as moisturized as long as it usually would for the entire week. So now we're going in with the Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel that I've seen good reviews about. And I just was hoping that it did not flake up in my hair. I was praying because I can't use Eco Styler. I can't use Extreme Wetline. So I'm just praying right now. But anyway, so I'm just rubbing this all throughout all of the strands. And I'm going to make sure that I get the roots, because you want to make sure you get the roots and the ends. Because with the roots, you want to make sure your hair lays down slick, and then with the ends, you don't want frizzy ends, so you want to make sure the gel is throughout your entire hair. So I have to put a lot on my hair because my hair is very dense, very dense. I have highly dense hair. And I don't know if you guys are paying attention because I didn't talk about it, but I detangled my hair with the dimming brush before I started this part, just to make sure it was no tangles, because the dimming brush will definitely like grab any type of tangle. So that's what I was doing, just ensuring wasn't any tangles in there, because when you're doing a wash and go, you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled, so you can have like the most perfect wash and go that you can try to have. So right now I am separating the where the hair is like clumping at. At least I'm trying to the best that I can. And yeah, so I'm just running my hands through there, and then I'm gonna like twist some of them around my finger to try to do like the shingling method. So now I'm just trying to give y'all a closer look into that first section. This is actually my favorite part of my hair, the back. I love the back of my hair. The curl is looser and they clump way better, because like the front doesn't clump. Like it's in the front is like wavy, but I'll get to that. Y'all see that. But anyway, so now we're about to do this back section, and I'm doing the same thing over again. I've already sprayed it with the hot water. I've already made sure it's all the way detangled with the dimming brush. So now I'm just putting the gel all over my hair to get it all slicked up, to try to get the curls to come together really good. And now I'm just going to let you guys watch. And don't forget to make sure you get all of your strands of hair. Don't forget to get the roots. Don't forget to get those ends. And try the shingling method. And fun fact, my hair did not used to clump this well when I first went natural. as the years go on, your curl pattern like changes, or it comes in more, it becomes more defined, and I have definitely seen that this year. Well, like 2018 and 2019 was when I saw my best curl pattern, but that's also the years where I had my hair out the most. I've never had my hair out this much, so I had time to baby my hair and really just to do it more. Yeah, you get to know your hair better when you're actually doing it. So now I'm just spraying hot water on this section again. You guys already know the steps, but um, I'm spraying hot water in this section. Now I am putting the oil in, and then I am going to detangle with the dimming brush, and then I am going to go in with the aloe juice to seal in my moisture. So I'm rubbing gel through my hair right now, and I'm about to do a quick little length check. I mean, don't get too comfortable with this length because I do need my ends clipped, and I will be getting them clipped soon. I just have to find a stylist that I trust to clip these ends. But anyway, so now I am back. I already did the rest of my hair, so I'm showing you guys the last few strands of hair that I am doing, because I was telling you guys the front of my hair doesn't clump. So basically I am making my own little sections. The rest of my hair is already done. I just twisted it so it wouldn't shrink too much, and now I am, what's it called, like scrunching these curls. So like, yeah, y'all, yeah, the front of my hair just be doing its own thing. I don't even know what kind of pattern that is, but it's just wavy in the front. But anyway, so now I am taking the sections out so you guys can see what we're working with. So yeah, if your hair is prone to like shrinkage like mine does, because my hair was going to shrink right on up, child. But anyway, just put it in sections like I did to hold it. Don't do tight sections because you don't want to make like a, you know, a twist, like you're doing a twist out, but just to hold it in place. So this is my hair wet. I filmed this video, well, I finished filming this video like 1 or 2 in the morning, and so I didn't want to go to sleep with wet hair. So I decided I was going to sit under the dryer because we threw away our actual hair dryers. Long story, but anyway, I used half of the bottle of gel to do this style. Yeah, half. Anyway, so this is my hair dry. This is me after I got from under the dryer. My hair is about 95% dry on this part of this video. So now I'm just trying to show you guys what the curls look like dry. And honestly, I was pretty satisfied with how it turned out. I just didn't like how it didn't stay moisturized for the entire week. But other than that, my curls came out really defined.